Hello and welcome back. Again, I'll not start with the usual disclaimer like I've been doing for so many videos. I don't see the purpose anymore. If people come try to look for something to buy or anything, they just won't find it. And it takes a lot of time. And reviewing my video diagnostics, when videos surpass 10 minutes, the view time per video goes down. So if I upload a 20-minute video versus a 10-minute video, people will view more minutes of that 10-minute video compared to that 20-minute video. So with that, I'm setting a new doctrine, so to speak, the shortening doctrine. With that said, let's get to Bloomberg, starting how we always start. And don't worry, I'm gonna buy a new computer just like I bought a new microphone. On Bloomberg, I don't really see anything important or of value. I mean, buy the dip. Yeah, okay. So, nothing important there. SPY still going up. Some minor correction. But beyond that, it's in a straight line up. Let's look at the dollar index. Dollar index is still climbing. It's looking quite good. So, 4 trades triggered. Quite interesting situation. Or I've been triggered into 4. All 4 didn't trade overnight, but let's have a look at them. So this one was a 12-hour entry. I don't know why it's looking like that. What happened here? Let me fix it and show what it looked like. So this one was a 12-hour entry that I got triggered into. What the fuck? Why did it just fuck around like that? So it looked something like this. A little bit lower on the sell loss. It's about something like that. I got smashed out of this one. I took a full loss, 1% loss on this one. So yeah, I don't know if anyone else entered that. It was in the potentials. I got smashed out of this one. I'm a goner, Jack. Let me just see that the 200 MA isn't showing on the 12-hour and only on the 1 day. Yeah, that's great. And I am actually gonna remove the 6-hour from my charts because looking at stats, the win rate on the 6-hour and the profitability and the average R is just not something I want. I don't want to go below the 8-hour anymore. It's very rare that I go below the 12-hour. And going down to the 6-hour, the signals are too weak. It's not for me anymore. This one, why are the? Okay, I'm just gonna find it in the Discord then. There we go. Why is the TP sell-loss and entry gone? So this trade right here obviously smashed through sell-loss. I had a 50 basis point, 0.5% TP extension on this one. So that was a 2.5% up win. I'm not sure if anyone else entered that, but I did post it in the Discord and said that it was triggering right now. I can't. Yeah, I said this one. Yeah, right here said triggering now, triggering right now, and it triggered and it hit a full juicy TP. This one, okay, so this one isn't fucked. This one I'm not in. Should be moving sell loss at this point. Where this one up to at least support. So I'd imagine it looks something like this for you now. If you're in this one's been going on forever. I'm tired of it. I'm not in it though. Also, I entered this one. I was so lucky with this one. Discussed raw spread a little bit and the relevancy of having a good rebate, getting your spread even further down. This one just barely hit my TP, and I went up another 1.5% on this one. I would have gone up a percentage point either way, or in the worst case scenario, it would have hit break even. So that doesn't matter. And I've set my break even to be 0.1%, so it's not really break even. And I get a rebate for it, so I get paid anyways. But this one, yeah, I don't think this. If I was on standard spread, I'm not sure this one would have failed because it isn't 1-to-1 pip with what's in TradingView. Because I don't trade through TradingView, I just copy it over into CTrader. So that puts me up 3% for the week, first week of the month that I can trade. Or no, it doesn't. It puts me up 3% overnight. And 6% this week. So 6% this week, 4% away from my monthly cap. So things are going quite well. I had a loss and I believe 4 wins, so a pretty good win rate. It's about what my win rate is, averages out to. So let's look for some setups. And what video number is this? Because I'm gonna upload a special. I can just look here. 90. Yeah, so number 100 is gonna be a little bit special. It's not gonna be looking for setups. It's not gonna be talking about TA. Nothing. So we'll look here. Yeah, the breakout market is really starting to fade. This could be interesting. I'm gonna put this as a rather conspicuous potential. Not in the realm of right now, but in the realm of maybe later. These need new levels. I'll just move up to something higher. This is the most apparent that sticks out. See, yep, for sure. Boom. Don't look too hard for levels. If you look too hard for them, it means other people are less likely to find them. It could have been a setup. Oh, these SR levels are level 1. These are weak. But we've been having a lot of inflation with this pair, so this is how it goes. Yeah. I can see that we need a redraw, but that won't be happening tomorrow because, well, that's a nice reversal because of it being video number 100. A lot of nice breakouts, reversals, but I'm not seeing anything right now. Okay, that's fine. So we got this one. It's rather far potential. I'm probably going to move to close as the candle close for the day. Let's have a look at the 12-hour. Yeah. I'm going to put this one in potential, under close potential later on, depending on how it develops. On this trade, I'd be looking for a classic reversal. I don't want to have a breakthrough on this one because it's trending down hard. So it would be a pretty standard setup. And remember, follow where did I manage in the beginner guide thing? Did it cross these all off? Get stuff done. It would be a pretty standard one below the low. Nice sell loss. And TP not over 2 on the R. You should be good. And your WT with this one, so you can go 2R, but don't dream trade on it. I'll see how this one develops, and that's all I've got for now. Pretty clean markets, but we need a complete redraw. I'll do that on Friday. Probably Friday close then. Yeah. Or no, I'll just do it mid-market Friday. There's no need for constant setups, so not looking for setups on a trading day is completely fine. If you're in that kind of obsessive mindset, you're already in the wrong. With that said, thank you for watching. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment on YouTube. I always answer comments. You can hop in my Discord as well. It's a nice little Discord I got with some traders in here. It's a lot of trading talk, a lot of bullshit talk. Look, we got a cat picture. Look at this guy. He's got a cat and shit with a big fucking head. He said his cat's been borking his whole life, bro. Damn, bro. And it's a generally nice Discord. We got some beginner guides, some investing tips. This is basically just average into SPY. Done. Thanks. And we have a questionnaire day on Saturdays where you can write a question here. It's pinned. You just add the country where you're based in and the question, because I mean question answers are going to differ depending on where you are because of regulations. And that's all I got. The Discord will be linked in the description. Feel free to join. It's free, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.